Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jabari Taylor. I am a Facebook and Instagram advertiser and digital marketing coach. I'm just going to get straight to it. Today's video, we're going to be talking about how to decrease your lead costs, basically, to get it, below that $10 point. The leads that we actually got here, were much, much below that. And it's pretty much, this strategy works pretty much every single time, and you should be using the strategy every single time you're trying to generate leads. There is one caveat. You need to make sure that there's probably like two caveats. The one caveat is you do need to make sure that you've already started running ads for a little bit before this, which you probably have if you're watching this video and you're trying to figure out how to decrease the cost of leads, right? But the second thing is you need to make sure that you have enough data to do what we're about to do, and you'll see it in the video. So with that said, let's get to it. Before we start, please don't forget to hit that like button. Trust me, you're gonna get value out of this video, and hitting the like button, make sure that this video actually gets out to other people and helps them to actually see it as well. So I hope that you guys do get value out of it, and hit that like button if you do. Alright, let's get started. Hey, so I just want to show you how I was able to decrease the cost per lead and how it would have gone so much further down, but they just started getting so many leads and literally could not handle the amount of leads that were coming in. And I know the video says how to get leads below like $10. I am going to show you that. I promise. I'm going to show you that. I know it says, like $19, $20, right? I promise you, this will show you exactly how to get them below $10, because I'm going to show you the trick right here of leads that are coming in way below $10. And they're high quality leads too. They're basically the same leads that a more expensive lead would come in at. So this is strategy. So as you can see, it's only one campaign, right? One campaign we ran, and it was a lead generation campaign. In that campaign, I have two audiences, right? This was the first one, right? And you can see the results, right? The first audience was generating at $101 a lead. It cost so much money to get those leads. But then after we got the leads, right, I created a lookalike audience, 1% lookalike audience, and it just dramatically destroyed the cost. Like, it dropped the cost so much. It's insane. They started getting so many leads that we literally had to stop the campaign, because, like, look at this, 23 leads for 100 something. Like, that takes, at $50 a day, it takes, every 2 days you're getting a lead, right? At $2, $3 a lead, they just started getting, what is that, like, they started getting like 25 leads a day, right? So we like literally had to stop because they just got overwhelmed. But we'll go back into it. But literally it's a same. So this is literally the power of just narrowing down your audience. It's super, super important. But sometimes I know that's difficult to test in Facebook if, for example, your audience just doesn't exist as interest in Facebook. You may be looking for a job title or something, and you might just not be able to find it. But guys, it was crazy. Like, look at the cost per click, right? The cost per click was $5 for this one. This is 39 cents. But so like by that like number, it should have dropped by 5, 10, like 10 times cheaper, right? 10 times cheaper. So it should have been like $10 a lead, right? Approximately. But no, it dropped down way more. The click-through rate went up. Everything went up. All right, and you can see that here. So I'm going to show you exactly what type of lookalike audience this is, because this is a specific type of lookalike audience. It's not just like a there's multiple different types of lookalike audiences, right? There is traffic, ads cart, purchase, lead generation. Obviously, like I didn't have 23, I didn't have enough leads to create a lookalike audience. So let me show you the actual lookalike audience that we use. So first we created the custom audience, and the custom audience was made from people who opened the form, right? So this is, I didn't have enough people that had actually generated a lead to say, okay, these people are the ones who are interested, because they actually, left their information. I didn't have that. So I had to use the amount of data that I already had, which is these people who actually left their information, or sorry, didn't leave their information but opened the form, right? So that shows that they were interested, but for some reason they just didn't fill out the form. I didn't change the form, but they were interested. They saw the ad, and the ad was highly, like, it's just a very like specific ad, um, and they were interested. They opened the form, but they didn't fill out. So in order to get a lookalike audience from that, actually, let me show you exactly. Sorry, let me show you which one I mean when I say that. So if you go to custom audiences here, right? When someone fills out a lead form, if it would open up, there we go. Okay, so when someone actually creates, when someone fills out a lead form, right? They they can do one of three things. It's either people who have opened the form, opened but didn't submit the form, or people who submit the form, opened and submit the form, right? So people who submit the form, and you can do this up to 90 days. That's the max amount of time you can go with the amount of people that have entered into that data pool, right? So the one I use is anyone who opens the form, because that's the largest number. I mean, I could have done the ones of people who opened and didn't. I would probably use that for retargeting, right? Retarget the people that who opened the form but didn't submit it. Maybe they got distracted, got a text notification or something. But I want to make sure that I got as much data into the lookalike audience as possible, right? So that's why I used, and yeah, it's literally only one form. And then obviously I just created the lookalike audience based off of the custom audience. If you don't know how to do that, again, it's, you can do it over here where you can create the lookalike audience. Um, but yeah, okay. So that's pretty much it. If you guys, actually, sorry, one more thing. Let me just go back to this just so I can show you guys the um sorry, just like, what's crazy too, one of the craziest things about this is the fact that this page, literally, I didn't even like, we like this went up so fast, guys. This page doesn't have a logo, a cover photo, like any of that stuff. People like always worry about the logo and cover photo and all that. Like, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter, guys. Um, it literally, it just ads going out to people. They're seeing it on their feed. Most people are not going back to the page to check the logo. They're not going back to the page to check if there's any posts. There are no posts. Like, literally, this page was done so quickly. The goal was just to get leads, and that's all we did. Um, so yeah, I just want to show you, like, literally, guys, like, this was the logo for the page. It was just a normal G that we had for the page, and that was it. But yeah, if you guys aren't using lookalike audiences, you need to be using lookalike audiences. Okay, it's very, very, very important to use lookalike audiences as soon as you can. Honestly, I want to make sure that there was a lot of traffic in here, and I knew that they weren't really worried about the budget. I knew that I could get the leads for much cheaper. Honestly, you should normally be able to get leads for less than $20. Like, $20 is probably, like, I'd say the average that you can get leads for. Like, if you're getting leads for much higher than that, it's something's probably wrong. Like, it might just be a really high competition audience. But besides for that, yeah, let's move on. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bells so that you get notified every single time there's a new video that comes out. I put videos out weekly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below. Lastly, if you are interested, I do have a free course, free Facebook ads course that you can join. All you have to do is click in the description below, and you can join that course. All right. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys next time.